So we got a water problem. I cut the water off. Time to shut it back on. Let's see if we get any water in the water. Let's see if the water's starting to go out. It's time to start draining this water heater. Swing. We're gonna do this one a little different. I'm gonna do a quick exchange. Pull this out, swap it back out. Got my wick back ready. The old one. New one. Top one's installed. Time to get to the bottom. Both elements installed. Now I'm trying to clean up all this water. I just figured out why the water is going out. It's set to 150, it's supposed to be at 125. Top one's like that, and the bottom one's like that. Let's get the temperatures right. There's a lot of calcium coming out of the end. We should be good to go. So now that we got both installed, time to rewire it up. Water's in that thing. Happy New Year. We have hot water. Cold water. We have steam. Hot water is going.